Kaliwat kanang pagsasanay ang kinakarap ng bawat kadete ng Philippine Military Academy. Habang patuloy na hinuhubog ang susunod na henerasyon ng mga lider ng bansa, isa sa mga hamon ng pamunuan ng akademya ang matiyak ang sapat at maayos na mga pasilidad. Para matugunan ang kakulangan at dumaraming bilang ng mga kadete, isang panibagong gusali ang itatayo. Kaninang umaga, February 9, isang groundbreaking ceremony ang ginanap para sa pagtatayo ng Henry C. Senior Hall. Isa itong dalawang palapag na gusali at mayroon ding athletic track oval.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Hans C. and Vice Admiral Valencia will now lower the time capsule. On my count, sirs, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations and a round of applause. The laying of the time capsule signifies a transition from vision to reality.
Together, our institutions represent optimism, excellence, and service. It is in this spirit that we recognize and thank SMDC for its partnership and generosity.
Katuwang ng PMA sa proyektong ito ang SM Prime Holdings Incorporated na pinangunahan ni Hans C., ang non-executive director ng SM Prime Holdings.
Spaces have a power to influence habits, reinforce values, and create a sense of community. This cadet mess hall is an extension of that belief and our modest contribution to the Academy. We hope this building and the partnership behind it encourages others in the private sector to support the institution that protects and advances our country.
Ang proyekto ay nagkakahalaga ng mahigit 400 milyong piso at itatayo ito sa loob ng 18 buwan.
My father had the opportunity to really invest in Baguio. So we really believe in Baguio.
Remember, in PMA, character is not built overnight. Character is built on a daily living. So and most of the time of our cadets are spent in the mess hall. So this helps develop the character of our cadets, making sure that they have the experience they will have the necessary experience to make sure that they build the necessary character out of this. And this is not just a vessel; it's a multi-function facility.
Bahagi raw ito ng growth development ng PMA kung saan plano nilang paramihin hanggang 2,000 ang bilang ng mga kadete sa akademya pagsapit ng 2040. Sa ngayon kasi nasa 1,200 na mga kadete ang kasalukuyang nag-aaral sa akademya. Vanessa Bugtong, RNG News.